Hey there, students. This is Casey Lawrence, one of the current administrators at East Coast Christian University. And today I'm going to show you how to check your enrollment history and how to use the GPA calculator. We're going to go over to our student module for this. And if you click on My Reports, the first one up is Enrollment History. If you click on this, you can see any courses that you've taken as well as your grade. What's great about this is if you click View Course, for a limited amount of time, you can still go inside the course and view any of the classes if you want to watch them again. Again, this is for a limited amount of time and then it will close out, but that's something that you're able to do. Going back to the student module and My Reports, if you click on the GPA report, this will show you what your current GPA is for all the semesters that you've been in. And right underneath it, if you click on the GPA Calculator, this is a cool tool that actually allows you to predict your GPA. So what this does is it pulls up the total amount of courses left in the degree you're going for. In this sample account, the student is going toward their associates. Right now, they have a 4.0 GPA. And if you select any one of these possible grades, you can enter them and see what you would get. So for instance, if you've taken most of your courses and you have a few left and you're trying to see what it would take to increase your GPA, that's what this tool is great for. You can mess around and see, okay, this is what I need, and now you're able to create a goal on what kind of grades you want to obtain in order to positively affect your GPA. So that's how you use enrollment history, how you check your GPA, and how you use the GPA calculator. Hope that was helpful, and I hope you all have a great day.